In this lesson, I'd like to go back and revisit a problem we did earlier. If you recall, we had a system of equations that represented a bass and trout population, and we solved the system of equations graphically. What I'd like to do is solve the same system by substitution, and hopefully we get the same results. So if you see here, we have the bass population is given by h of t equals 6t plus 8, and the trout population was given by h of t equals 4t plus 24, where h of t represented the population and t represented time in years. So what's nice about this system, it's really set up for you. You see h of t equals 4t plus 24. We can actually replace this h of t with the 4t plus 24, and we'll write our new equation. So it's going to be 4t plus 24 equals 6t plus 8. Again, where did this come from? Well, we substituted 4t plus 24 in to h of t, and that left us with the 4t plus 24 equals the 6t plus 8. Again, this becomes a simple algebra problem where we're going to just solve for t at this point. So we could subtract 4t from both sides. And that leaves me with 24 equals 2t plus 8. Now I subtract 8 from both sides. And I'm left with 16 equals 2t. And you can see that t is going to equal 8. Right? We divide both sides by 2, and I have 8 equals t. Alright, that's fine. But I only have the first part of my ordered pair. Right? If this is t, this would represent h of t. So we know what t is. T is 8. We need to find h of t. So I can take t equals 8 and substitute back into either of these two equations. It does not really matter which equation you choose. I'm going to choose the first equation. So I'm going to replace this t with 8 and solve. So let's rewrite. I'm going to rewrite this down over here. So I have h of t equals 6 times not t, but 8 plus 8. And that gives me h of t equals 48 plus 8. And 48 plus 8 is 56. So h of t equals 56. So the solution to these two equations, or to this system of equations, is 8 comma 56. Now what does this represent? Remember, we want to know when the population of bass was equal to the population of trout. In 8 years, the population of trout and bass will be equal, and they will each have 56. So there'll be 56 bass, 56 trout, and that will occur in 8 years. Thank you for watching.